Good evening and welcome to this course on artificial intelligence for business. And today we're going to see a very important topic from Unit 5, which is actually artificial intelligence and jobs. So we all very clearly know that artificial intelligence is the very great disruptor, and it's a very big disruptive force. And it is already profoundly, in a very big way, it is actually shaping the job market, global job market. So we're going to see in this particular presentation how it is actually shaping it and what are the new opportunities it's also creating. So it is actually a very disruptive force. Is it creating new opportunities and what are the strategies we should be adapting actually um, uh, uh, to create this, to actually navigate this impact. So this is also we should be actually we are going to look at this in this particular presentation. So let us look at the next slides. Now, what is the risks, job risks because of this automation? Because artificial intelligence is actually enabling automation in a very big way. So that is actually the biggest advantage of artificial intelligence. So today automation is in a big way enabled by artificial intelligence. So what is really the impact of automation because on the jobs? So routine tasks are at really at risk. See, for example, tasks which are very repetitive, AI can really replicate the same. For example, in terms of medical transcription, the voice coding, artificial intelligence can really perform the task much superior when compared to human beings, and that system is already deployed in many countries today. For example, this data entry jobs, this customer service roles, this administrative support all face significant automation potential. Second is, and these are some of the impacted industries: manufacturing, transportation, are really affected by this particular automation wave. And global job displacement, and a reputed bank like Bank of America actually estimates that 800 million jobs, that 1 million is 10 lakhs. So almost 8,000 jobs, 8,000 lakh jobs are globally are going to get impacted by AI by the year 2030. That's a huge number. And also, looking at the positive side, AI is also creating a new roles are also getting emerged. Though the number of roles which are getting new are much smaller, but yes, new roles are also getting emerged. And so artificial intelligence and machine learning engineers. So these are very critical roles where these particular profiles, these engineers are going to really design and build superior intelligence systems, which is going to surpass human intelligence. So AI/ML engineers are in huge demand. Data scientists are going to be in huge demand, which is a new role created where because we have today lots and lots of data and we need a lot of the systems are going to learn from the data. So we need a lot of people who are going to extract these insights and train these systems. So we need a lot of data scientists on that. And today, prompt engineers, because a lot of tasks are actually executed through prompt. For example, ChatGPT prompts example. So prompt engineers are also a very new role which is coming up. And also, as we saw in the last presentation, AI has to be handled with a lot of responsibility and a lot of ethics, a lot of transparency. So AI ethics, ensuring that systems which we build are ethically very clear and fair right during the stage of the development is also we need AI ethics. And though AI is also going to slash a lot of jobs, a lot of jobs are also going to get augmented, and yes, replacement also will be there, but augmentation is the focus here. For example, if we talk about AI in medicine, today doctors, for example, in case of radio diagnosis, doctors are using artificial intelligence for faster decision making. And in case of AI in law, today, both civil lawyers and criminal lawyers, in terms of reviewing the contract, they use AI. And in terms of manufacturing, today AI is also used in a big way. For example, in terms of rapid prototyping, AI is also used. So if we talk about AI, it is improving the human capabilities across various sectors and improving the efficiency in very big way, and it is here to stay. And what are the skill sets as a AI, the new generation workforce needs to have. First is definitely analytical thinking. We need to analyze very complex informations and then be able to take the processes on. And creative thinking and developing innovative solutions for the problem statements. So that is also very important area. And the third is the digital literacy. A lot of digital tools and artificial intelligence tools are coming. So digital literacy is also a very big area, skill set which workers need to evolve. And adaptability, continuous learning and changing is also the key for which is kind of key evolving skill sets which the workers need in today's environment. And this is a graph showing that actually the inequality, the economic shifts, product, how wages, productivity, and inequality actually are increasing over the years, and it's predicted to increase even more and more. And ethical and social considerations are very important in terms of when you talk about AI in jobs. So we have to ensure that the displaced workers are supported using robust systems. Social safety nets is a very important area, and algorithmic bias should be a very important focus area where unfairness in algorithms has to be very strongly reviewed and corrected. And workforce retraining is also a very important area where the skills are to be bridged using very innovative and comprehensive training programs. And the role of policy in education has a very big role in this. And governments are very proactively have to invest in lifelong learning. Private-public partnerships are very important today, and the curriculum should be future ready. For example, it talks about Singapore skills future skills program offer very responsible training for AI responsible deployment and development. And as we already discussed, the navigating the future, what are the some of the strategies which you look for the individuals? Continuous learning and upskilling in AI relevant tools, human skills. You have to create a lot of creativity, innovation, and intelligence. Active networking, we have to have a very strong collaboration and interactions with the ecosystem around us, and you have to have this culture of adaptability. You have to be very resilient in this changing landscape. So AI is here to stay. It is not a job destroyer. So AI is going to be the future, and we need to work along with it and for a more productive and innovative society. So thank you very much. And if you have any doubts and clarification, you can ask. Thank you.